So, today I was thinking we could do a turtle candle, and this is a different one I got. This is the one I had out of the package. But anyways, and then run up a wick, like up through the leg, out through the head, or out through the arm, or maybe 2 wicks. I don't know. And then the other thing I was thinking would be fun too. What if we gave him a skull head? Alright. Alright, we're going to go stick this in the freezer. Let the bottom part kind of harden up, and then we'll come back and finish her off. So we don't bob up and down, you know. Alright, so we got him out of the freezer. He's ready to go. Time for some more CompsiMold. Alright, beautiful. Stick that back in the freezer. Alright, so let's get our resin going. Here at Omega Ordained, we only use America's best epoxy resin. If you're looking to buy resin, check out my link in the description below. Put in code OMEGA10 to get 10% off your order. It's a good deal. It'll beat eBay. Free shipping too. Here's how our bonehead turtle came out. I tried to simulate bone. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Now the back of the bell. We just want to look at the back. There we go.